Hello decorators around the world. With the holiday season just around the corner, it's the perfect time to talk about one of the most cherished traditions, decorating the Christmas tree. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about choosing and decorating the perfect Christmas tree for your home. First off, let's talk about selecting the right tree. Whether you go for a real tree or an artificial one, each has its own charm. Real trees bring that wonderful pine scent and a sense of authenticity. Popular varieties include Fraser fir, Douglas fir, and blue spruce, each offering a unique shape and needle type. When choosing a real tree, check for freshness by bending the needles. They should be flexible and not snap. Also, give the tree a little shake. If too many needles fall off, it might be past its prime. On the other hand, artificial trees have come a long way and can be a practical choice. They're reusable, low maintenance, and come in a variety of styles, from traditional green to trendy white, flocked, or even multicolored options. When choosing an artificial tree, consider the size of your space and the tree's height and width to ensure it fits perfectly in your home. Now let's dive into decorating your tree. This year's trends are all about personalization and making your tree unique to your family's style. A great starting point is choosing a theme or color scheme. Traditional red and green are always in style, but you can also explore modern palettes like gold and white, blue and silver, or even non-traditional colors like pink or purple. Layering is key to a well-decorated tree. Start with the lights, as they are the foundation. LED lights are energy efficient and come in various colors and styles, from warm white to vibrant multicolor. Wrap the lights around the tree, starting from the base and working your way up, ensuring they're evenly distributed. Next, add your garlands. This could be anything from classic tinsel to more contemporary options like ribbon or bead strands. Drape them loosely around the tree, letting them cascade naturally. You can also mix different types of garlands to add texture and interest. Ornaments are where you can really let your creativity shine. Mix larger statement pieces with smaller filler ornaments to create depth and balance. Consider adding personal touches like homemade ornaments, family heirlooms, or even items that reflect your hobbies and interests. Cluster similar ornaments together for a cohesive look. And don't forget to hang some closer to the trunk to add dimension. Tree toppers are the crowning glory of your Christmas tree. Traditional choices include stars and angels, but don't be afraid to think outside the box. Rustic-themed trees might feature a burlap bough, while a modern tree could sport a metallic geometric shape. Whatever you choose, make sure it complements the overall theme of your tree. To finish off your tree, add a tree skirt or a tree collar. Tree skirts come in various fabrics and designs, from plush velvet to rustic burlap, and help hide the tree stand while providing a polished look. Tree collars, on the other hand, offer a more modern, structured appearance. Now let's talk about some pro tips for maintaining your tree. If you have a real tree, keeping it fresh is essential. Make sure to water it regularly. A freshly cut tree can drink up to a gallon of water a day. Keep it away from heat sources like radiators and fireplaces to prevent it from drying out. For artificial trees, storage is key. Keep the original box or invest in a sturdy tree storage bag to protect it from dust and damage. When setting it up each year, take the time to fluff the branches to make it look full and natural. As we wrap up, let's not forget the importance of safety. Whether you have a real or artificial tree, ensure your lights are in good working condition with no frayed wires. Always turn off the lights when you leave the house or go to bed. Incorporating a few of these ideas will ensure your Christmas tree is the star of your holiday decor. Remember, the most beautiful tree is one that brings joy to your home and reflects your personal style. So have fun with it, and happy decorating. One of the most enjoyable parts of decorating your Christmas tree is involving the whole family. Make it a tradition to decorate together, creating cherished memories year after year. To make the process even more special, consider having a tree decorating party. Invite friends and family over, play your favorite holiday music, and enjoy seasonal treats while you decorate. If you have young children, make the tree more accessible to them by setting up a small, kid-friendly tree in their room or a play area. This way, they can decorate their own tree with handmade ornaments, colorful baubles, and even candy canes. It's a wonderful way to foster their creativity and let them be part of the holiday magic. Speaking of handmade ornaments, DIY decorations are a fantastic way to personalize your tree. You can create ornaments from materials like salt dough, felt, or even recycled items. This not only adds a personal touch, but can also be a fun craft project for the whole family. Some popular DIY ideas include hand-painted baubles, photo ornaments, and natural elements like pine cones and dried orange slices. For those who love a bit of sparkle, adding a touch of glitter to your decorations can make your tree truly shine. You can glitterize pine cones, branches, or even some of your existing ornaments. Just be sure to lay down some newspaper or a drop cloth to catch any excess glitter and make cleanup easier. Now let's not forget about the tree's surroundings. Decorating the space around your tree can enhance the overall festive atmosphere. Arrange wrapped presents under the tree early to add a sense of anticipation and excitement. You can also place decorative items like nutcrackers, snow globes, or a Christmas village around the base to create a magical scene. Lighting isn't limited to just the tree. Consider adding fairy lights or string lights around the room to complement your tree and create a cozy, warm ambience. You can drape lights over mantles, windows, or even along the ceiling for a truly enchanting effect. If you're looking for a cohesive holiday look, extend your tree's theme to the rest of your decor. For example, if you've chosen a rustic theme with natural elements, incorporate those materials throughout your home. Use burlap ribbons, wooden accents, and earthy tones in your wreaths, garlands, and table settings. This creates a harmonious and inviting environment. Switching gears a bit, let's talk about some trends that have been popular in recent years. One trend that's been gaining popularity is the minimalist tree. This involves using a simple color palette, fewer ornaments, and clean lines to create a modern and elegant look. Think monochrome colors, geometric shapes, and lots of white space. Another trend is the use of unique, alternative trees. If you're short on space or just want to try something different, consider a wall-mounted tree made from string lights, a wooden ladder tree, or even a tree made from stacked books. These creative alternatives can be just as festive and are perfect for small apartments or unconventional spaces. For a more eco-friendly approach, consider sustainable decorations. Use natural materials like wood, fabric, and paper, and opt for LED lights to reduce energy consumption. You can also make or buy ornaments from fair trade organizations to support artisans and ensure ethical production practices. One more thing to keep in mind is the overall feel of your holiday season. While a beautifully decorated tree is wonderful, what's most important is the joy and warmth it brings to your home. Take the time to enjoy the process, savor the moments with loved ones, and don't stress about perfection. After all, the spirit of Christmas is about love, togetherness, and creating lasting memories. Beyond the main Christmas tree, consider incorporating smaller accent trees throughout your home. These can be miniature versions of your main tree, or completely different styles that add charm and whimsy to various rooms. For instance, a small tree in the kitchen can be decorated with cookie cutters and gingerbread ornaments, while a tree in the entryway might have a more elegant, welcoming theme with gold and silver accents. One often overlooked aspect of Christmas tree decor is the scent. Real trees naturally provide that wonderful pine fragrance, but if you have an artificial tree, you can still achieve a similar effect. Consider adding scented ornaments, pine-scented sticks hidden within the branches, or even using essential oils with a diffuser nearby to create a festive aroma. Another creative idea is to incorporate family traditions into your tree decorations. If your family has certain holiday traditions, such as baking cookies, making gingerbread houses, or reading specific holiday stories, find ways to represent these on your tree. You can create ornaments that symbolize these activities, or use items directly related to them. Lighting can also play a huge role in setting the mood for your Christmas tree. In addition to the traditional string lights, consider using LED projector lights to cast patterns or images onto your walls and ceiling. This adds an extra layer of magic, especially when the room lights are dimmed. If you love a coordinated look, think about matching your tree's theme with your holiday table settings. Use similar colors, patterns, and materials for your tablecloth, napkins, centerpieces, and place settings. This creates a cohesive and elegant look throughout your home, making your holiday gatherings even more special. For those who enjoy a bit of luxury, think about adding metallic accents to your tree. Gold, silver, and copper ornaments can catch the light beautifully and add a touch of opulence. You can also use metallic ribbons or garlands to enhance the effect. Pairing metallics with deep, Rich colors like burgundy, navy, or emerald green can create a sophisticated and stunning tree. One more fun idea is to create a themed tree that reflects a particular interest or hobby. If someone in your family loves music, decorate the tree with musical notes, miniature instruments, and sheet music ornaments. For travel enthusiasts, use ornaments shaped like landmarks, suitcases, and globes. This personalized touch makes the tree unique and meaningful. Don't forget about the tree's base. Besides tree skirts and collars, you can get creative with other materials like baskets, crates, or even a large decorative pot. These can add to the overall aesthetic of your tree and provide a sturdy base. Consider the overall ambience of your home during the holidays. Soft lighting, cozy blankets, and festive music can enhance the Christmas tree's presence and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Place some comfy seating near the tree to encourage family and friends to gather around, share stories, and enjoy the view. Another fantastic idea to personalize your Christmas tree is to incorporate a memory lane theme. Hang photo ornaments featuring family moments from past holidays, vacations, or special events. You can either buy clear photo ornaments or make your own using small frames, or even laminated photos tied with a ribbon. This not only adds a personal touch, but also allows you to reminisce about cherished memories as you decorate. For those who enjoy a bit of a DIY challenge, making your own garlands can be both fun and rewarding. Popcorn and cranberry garlands are classic and add a nostalgic touch. You can also make paper chains using colorful construction paper or fabric strips for a more modern twist. Dried citrus slices, cinnamon sticks, and star anise can be strung together for a natural, fragrant garland that smells as good as it looks. If you're a fan of a rustic farmhouse style, consider incorporating natural elements like burlap, twine, and wooden ornaments. Pine cones, acorns, and branches can be painted or glittered to add a touch of sparkle. Combining these with cozy plaids and soft flannels can create a warm, inviting look that's perfect for a cozy Christmas atmosphere. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood for your Christmas tree. Consider using a combination of different types of lights to create a dynamic look. Twinkling fairy lights, larger globe lights, and even novelty lights shaped like snowflakes or stars can add layers of interest. Experiment with warm white lights for a cozy, traditional feel, or colorful lights for a more playful and vibrant look. For those who love a bit of vintage charm, incorporating antique or retro decorations can bring a unique and nostalgic touch to your tree. Look for vintage ornaments at thrift stores, estate sales, or even in your own attic. Mixing these with more modern pieces can create a delightful eclectic look that feels both timeless and fresh. Another emerging trend is the use of unique toppers beyond the traditional star or angel. Consider using a large bow, a festive hat, or even a meaningful object that represents something special to your family. This can be a fun way to showcase your creativity and make your tree stand out. For a sophisticated and elegant tree, consider a monochromatic color scheme. Choosing all-white decorations, for example, can create a stunning winter wonderland effect. Add different textures like glass, ceramic, and feathers to keep the look interesting and luxurious. This minimalist approach can be very chic and timeless. Incorporating technology can also bring your tree to life in new ways. Smart LED lights can be controlled with your phone and customized with different colors, patterns, and even time sequences. Some can sync with your holiday music, creating a dynamic and interactive display that's sure to impress guests. When it comes to ornaments, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Use non-traditional items like small toys, kitchen utensils, or even pieces of jewelry as ornaments. This can be a great way to reflect your personality and interests on your tree. For example, a tree decorated with miniature cooking tools would be perfect for a passionate home chef. As you decorate, consider the perspective from all angles of the tree. If your tree is placed in a window or a space where it can be seen from multiple sides, make sure to distribute decorations evenly. This creates a balanced look and ensures that every angle is festive and beautiful. For a truly immersive holiday experience, coordinate your tree decorations with your home's exterior lights and decorations. Syncing your indoor and outdoor displays can create a seamless and impressive festive atmosphere that starts from the moment guests arrive at your home. Another creative idea is to create a theme that changes annually. This can become a fun family tradition where each year you choose a new theme, such as a specific color palette, a favorite movie, or a particular holiday story. This keeps your tree decorating fresh and exciting, and everyone can look forward to the new theme each year. Don't forget about your furry friends during the holiday season. If you have pets, consider making some pet-friendly decorations. Use pet-safe materials and avoid small, breakable ornaments that can be a hazard. You can even create ornaments that feature your pets, such as paw print imprints or small photo frames with their pictures. As we conclude, I hope these tips and ideas have inspired you to create a stunning and meaningful Christmas tree that reflects your style and brings joy to your home. Whether you're going for a classic look, experimenting with new trends, or crafting homemade decorations, the most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity shine. Remember that decorating your tree should be a joyful and stress-free experience. Take your time, enjoy the process, and don't worry about everything being perfect. The beauty of a Christmas tree comes from the love and effort put into it, and the memories made along the way. Embrace the imperfections. The most beautiful Christmas trees are often the ones that reflect the love and joy of the people who decorated them. A slightly crooked ornament or a strand of lights that isn't perfectly straight adds character and charm. Remember, the holidays are about spending time with loved ones and creating memories, so enjoy every moment of the decorating process. Thank you for sticking with us through this festive journey. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and hit that subscribe button for more holiday inspiration. Don't forget to leave a comment with your own decorating tips, traditions, or any questions you might have. We love hearing from you. Wishing you all a magical holiday season filled with love, joy, and beautifully decorated trees. See you next time, and happy decorating!